The Fox and the Bird. We have 13 new words to learn in this story, and one is so easy you're going to laugh that it's a new word. Here we go. Let's see if you can find the easy one. Here we go. Fox. Grapes. Here's the easy one. What is that word? I. You already know that word, I. Wood. Mist. Could. Bird. Came. Fly. Them. Myself. Probably. Sour. You know what sour is, like a sour candy, like what are those candies called? Sour gummies. Sour is like a lemon. Ooh, it makes your cheeks pucker. Sour, not sweet. Sour is the opposite of sweet. Let's read the story. The Fox and the Bird. Once there was a fox. He liked to eat. He saw some grapes. I would like to eat the grapes, said the fox. He jumped to get the grapes, but he missed. He jumped again and again, but he could not get the grapes. Then a bird came. The bird could fly and eat the grapes. The grapes are good, said the bird to the fox. Do you want some grapes? I can get the grapes, said the fox. I can get them myself. He jumped and jumped, but he could not get the grapes. The bird looked at the fox. What will you do now, fox? I do not want the grapes now, said the fox. They are not good grapes. They are probably sour grapes. And the fox went away, but he did not eat. What did the fox want at the beginning of the story? That's right, he wanted some grapes. What did he do to get the grapes? That's right, he jumped and jumped and jumped. But was he able to get the grapes? No, he was not able to get the grapes. Then who came? Yep, a bird came. Was the bird able to eat the grapes? You're right, the bird was able to eat the grapes. And the bird offered to help the fox, didn't he? Did the fox accept the bird's help? No, the fox was rude, wasn't he? He said, I can get them myself. If someone offers to help you, should you be rude to them? No, we know better than that. If someone offers to help us, we say thank you for helping us. And so in the end, did the fox get any grapes? He sure didn't. And even though they were good grapes, he said they were probably sour grapes. Were they really sour grapes? No, he just had a bad attitude. Look, you can see on his face his bad attitude. So remember, if someone offers to help you, we say thank you for helping us, and we don't have a bad attitude like the fox. Terrific reading!